at a distance of 600 yards.
On. Stand by, stand by.
Okay, so I put a few rounds downrange and I've hit the target. Let's get up close and see the penetrating power of this round.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's incredible right there.
It is.
So both rounds, 2 rounds. One comes through here and clears, the other comes right through here and clears. That's a round that's going through this steel and then through another piece of that steel and still maintaining its kinetic energy.
Yeah. It's got
Anything inside there,
yeah, it's got some power behind that.
it's in trouble.
Oh, yeah.
The incredible armor-piercing incendiary round passes through steel like it's not even there.
Honestly, it doesn't make a difference if you have plug sinuses or not. This will clear it for you quick. This is power, and it feels great. Oh, shit.
Everything changes.
Oh man, it's crystal clear, and it's just like you can see, like, yeah. It's gonna be freaking.
Mine's been 45. I can spend it.
Jesus. I know. Yeah.
Sheet. Ready?
God damn. God damn.
Where'd the dirt fly up from?
Yeah.
This is our Model 200 408 caliber rifle. Gun weighs 33 pounds. It shoots a 419 grain solid copper nickel alloy bullet at 2,750 feet per second. We free float the barrel, putting the bipod assembly above the barrel, so the gun actually hangs underneath the bipod and sits on all ground, and you're able to level the gun up. We use a Night Force scope Two different versions, 3.5 to 15 or 5.5 to 22 power. Uses a 7-round magazine.